the most difficult. So amigos, today's video we're gonna make one guacamole on the easy way. It's very easy and it's very simple. I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients and you're gonna love it for sure. I'm gonna use one molcajete and basically it's one large mortar with a small pestle. So, and that's it. It's simple, but it's the most delicious molcajete guacamole. Okay, let's do it, amigos. Let's do it. Okay, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Ulysses Cruz. Also, if it's your second time, welcome back. Welcome back. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience. The last 5 years doing plant-based cuisine. Yes, I started doing plant-based cuisine 5 years ago, and I've enjoyed doing ever since. Let's do this guacamole. So amigos, first what I'm going to do is cut my onions. So right now I was cleaning my onion. So but I'm gonna use just a little bit of my onion. I'm gonna remove the paper. Let's see. And also 2 or 3 tomatoes. And right now I'm gonna use 2 chili serranos. But amigos, if you want something less spicy, you can use, I recommend you use jalapeño. Start with jalapeño if you don't really support or you don't really like that spicy. So I'm gonna put that aside next here while it's a little dry. So amigos, I'm gonna start cutting one onion. I'm going to use just a quarter of cup. Yes, 1/4 of cup of white onions. White onions or yellow onions, it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna chop it a little bit. Wow, there is a lot, but that's good for my guacamole. So amigos, a 1/4 cup of onions and my tomatoes. Right now I'm gonna use 3. Those are small for me. Those are very tiny and actually my hand is small. So I'm gonna cut it on quarters and I'm going to remove the seeds. It's optional, right? How to remove the seeds? First, one bowl and just slide all around. And there we go. So amigos, just keep doing the same with the rest of your tomatoes. Also, it's not necessary buy one of those kind of tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomato. If you want something more sweet, you can use heirloom tomato, or even you can, if you have cherry tomatoes, I recommend you do that. It's not a big deal that tomatoes, it just added a little bit of flavor, you know? So amigos, basically just keep slicing your tomatoes, just cut on quarters them and remove the seed just on this way, just slice all around the skin, just slowly. Once you are on this way, you can change your fingers. Just be careful, try to don't cut yourself, just be careful when you're cutting your tomatoes. Those are too small, and right now once I remove the seeds, I'm gonna chop them, and it's basically that simple way, just removing the seed like this. So amigos, and chop them, yes, chop on a small dice. Okay, 10 years later. So amigos, just chop your onion, chop your tomatoes, and chop your chili serrano, jalapeno, depends what you're using right now. But also, if you want to charge it more spicy, just add a little bit of habanero. It's basically that. And this is optional. People or everyone say that if you're doing this to your jalapeno, to your chili something, to your chili serrano, I mean, if that seeds touch the skin of the chili, it's going to be for sure more spicy. It's optional. Also, dice it and more tiny, I mean, or chop it, removing the seeds, or not. But right now, I'm gonna remove the seeds. Remove the seeds. And something that I really like to do is make one, cut one, and also if I really notice that it's not really spicy, I'm gonna chop another one and add it into my guacamole. I'm scared. So then I'm gonna put a side right here, and also amigos, chop your cilantro. Try to don't get a lot of the large or big stem. Just try to use a little or just the leaves. I mean, just use a little leaf. You're gonna chop up the stem. Try to use, so it's not a big deal. Chop it in small pieces. But you know, all the time it's optional. Da da dee, da da da. So 10 years later, amigos. So I have right here a quarter cup of onion, 3 tomatoes. I mean, those are small, and you can use 2 tomatoes, 1 handful of cilantro, and also I have 1 chili serrano, and I'm gonna use 1 lime. What should I make? With 2 or 3 avocados? So then just remember, chop your cilantro very well, very fine. That's it, just basically that's it. It's simple, just chop cilantro a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. It shouldn't be perfect. It's not a big deal if there are a long leaves over there, or if you leave a big pieces over there. Look at this. Nice. It's good. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. So right now, I was waiting for this time to show you what I'm going to do with this molcajete. Yes, basically what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm gonna pray first. I hope everything is good with this. I hope so. Okay, say no more. Oh my god. Well, for sure it's going to be good. Yes, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad, amigos. It's a little bad. So anyway, I'm gonna cut it a little bit and cut it in small pieces. Oh my god. It's too hard, but I won't waste anything, so I'm gonna use it. Ta 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 ta. Okay, that's good. Sounds good. Looks good. Looks good. Everything right there. Oh no. Okay. I thought it was going to be very easy. Make one. Oh no. Okay, amigos, just don't complicate. Just don't complicate your life. Try to buy some ripe avocados and the right avocados. Right now, this looks perfect for outside, but inside, no one knows how it is. inside one avocado, cutting in small pieces and removing just the meat. Oh my god. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Everything looks good. So finally, I already made with one. So I'm gonna try to see the other one. This looks more mushy. I mean, this looks like, oh my god. I hope everything looks good. Finally, thank you God. Thank you. This looks better and it's much better. So amigos, just cut it on the small pieces. Easily. It's not a big deal. We're gonna mash it. And just take out. That's it. That's it. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done, amigos. Oh my god, there are the pieces. Oh my god, look at this. Just mash it a little bit. So amigos, just keep mashing your avocado. Try to don't leave it. It's really hard. Just try to mash it completely. I mean, I say this because one of those I bought it on that different store does, and those were more expensive than those one, that small one. But those aren't ready. Those aren't ripe. I mean, I don't know. I have to leave it outside. But today I decided to make this video, and for sure it couldn't be difficult for me. For no one made one guacamole. We tried to make it on the easy way for sure. But look at this. Look at this. Finally, little. Oh no. So, amigos. Then I was thinking to use sea salt, but look at this. Look like a rock. So I have to do this. This is so funny, amigos. Look at this. Finally. So amigos, I bought it the right avocados, but they weren't the right avocados. I mean, just one is right and the other one is not really well. So I'm gonna use those two avocados. If you see, I use it one, like, you know, it's not the same size, but looks almost the same size. Sometimes the meat inside is more bigger the seed than the meat. I mean, sometimes the skin, a little bit of meat, and fucking huge seed in there. But it's not a big deal. Just get a little of avocado. Just mash a little bit of avocado. Add a little bit of salt. A little bit of... Yes. Claro que yes. Yes. Claro que yes. And amigos, just mix all together. Mix all together. I can feel that fucking big pieces of avocado in there. Look at this. It's fucking good. Amigos, one more time I'm gonna try it, and it's fucking good. I hope you get this idea. It's just a little bit of everything. Just when you're mixing everything, when you're adding every single eating, or a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I hope you really like this video. How to get many troubles making the easy guacamole. Oh my god. Mm.